Gumball, welcome to my humble clinic. Now you saw Miss Jill for your annual screening exam.
Yes.
And you had fallen.
Yes.
This, everybody, so you know, this is the right hip area. We've taped to provide a little modesty, right? And you've got a hematoma here. Or as we say, a hematomata.
Okay.
So you fell somehow, and you've got apparently a collection of blood in a big bruise under here, and that's pretty tender, isn't it? That's
Yes.
a little bit sore. Now tell us what happened.
2 steps coming out of a restaurant and I fell on gravel.
There's a place called Grub Burger.
Grub Burger? This is a little betadine. I'm just kind of sterilizing an area here.
All right.
Tell us about Grub Burger.
And this is not for promotional Grub Burger that I'm not promoting. No.
Right.
All right, so a little numbing medicine first. Gummy Jean's going to spray some cold spray. Here comes the cold spray, right in the middle there. Okay, and then you're going to feel, what's she going to feel?
Stick, sting, and a burn.
Stick, sting, and a burn is true. All right, so are you feeling that little bee sting?
I do.
All right. You seem to be walking pretty well when you came in. So did you get an x-ray or anything like that?
No, I fell though. Last June, and I seem to have messed up my foot. I've had it x-rayed and I've had an MRI. Shows nothing, but I believe that maybe it's a deep tissue bruise. My foot is very sore. I'm thinking that that's why I am falling.
Okay, so you're not steady on your feet because you have a foot problem. You know, one of the biggest causes of back pain is knee problems. That's true.
Really?
Did you know that?
My knee's been bothering me too.
I have a titanium knee
Do you really?
in the right leg.
You should apply for a job as an astronaut. You've already got some titanium going there. So we've already gotten some blood out.
Oh, I'm hoping you get a lot out.
Well, I'm just glad that it's still liquid. This will congeal,
Right.
and then we end up having a bigger problem. We've had some patients in the past where we've actually had to make incisions and, pull out really large clots that were just too big for the body to absorb. And I think this would fall into that category.
That's a pretty good bit.
Yeah, we got a lot out already. You okay over there?
Yeah.
All right.
I feel like I heard Jill.
I think so.
Oh yeah, because they have.
So I'm putting a lot of pressure on this to make sure that we ask for. If you feel any pain, you're going to let me know, okay?
Sure.
All right. I'm going to press down here a little bit. I want to make sure that if we have any fluid that's loculated, that we try to mobilize it.
It's already less painful.
That's good. I like that. I think that's all we're going to get out.
Yeah.
All right. We'll pull this back out. So we got about, I'd say about 15 to 16 cc's.
Well, I think that I do have something that maybe is a clot underneath there.
You very
Should
well
I
might.
be concerned
No.
about that?
No, this is superficial. This is not the kind of area where we have to worry about blood clots breaking loose, going to the lungs or anything like that. You want to put that on, go right ahead. Okay, so this is not something that would put you in danger of getting what we call a DVT or deep venous thrombosis or a pulmonary embolus. So don't worry about that. So she's putting just a dry dressing on there. Hopefully you'll get a little bit more oozing that'll happen, and it'll go ahead and it'll soak this dressing, okay?
Okay.
But it may not, but if it does, don't be alarmed by it, okay?
Okay.
Because again, I used a really large needle inserted in there, so it kind of left a little bit of an opening, so that should drain a little bit more for you.
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.
Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta 7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, well, for 1 month, actually.
And
And I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta 7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta 7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.